Welcome back to Digital Wiz Academy. We've covered the basics of designing in Figma, and now it's time to take your skills to the next level. In this video, we'll explore advanced designing techniques, including components and instances, styles and libraries, and using images and icons. Let's dive in. Dear friends, while diving in the video, let's talk about components and instances. Dear friends, components are reusable design elements that help you maintain consistency across your projects. Instances are copies of these components that can be customized without affecting the original component. Let's talk about how to creating reusable components. Dear friends, to create a component, select an element or group of elements, right-click, and choose Create Component. Components are stored in the Assets panel for easy access. The next topic related to instances is using and modifying instances. Dear friends, drag instances of your component onto the canvas. You can customize instances by changing text, colors, and other properties. Any changes made to the main component will automatically update all instances. Component overrides. Figma allows you to override specific properties of an instance without affecting the main component. This flexibility helps you create variations while maintaining consistency. Dear friends, now we move on to our next topic, which is styles and libraries. Dear friends, styles and libraries streamline your design process by creating and managing reusable styles for colors, text, and effects. Now let's talk some tips and tricks regarding to styles and libraries. Number 1 on my list is creating and using styles. Dear friends, to create a style, select an element, customize its properties, and click the plus icon in the Properties panel to save it as a style. Apply styles to other elements for a consistent look. Number 2, and also the last one on my list of styles and libraries, is shared libraries and team collaboration. Dear friends, Figma allows you to create shared libraries that your team can access. This ensures everyone is using the same styles and components, enhancing collaboration and consistency. Now the last topic of today's discussion is images and icons. Dear friends, incorporating images and icons into your designs adds visual appeal and enhances user experience. Here are some important tips regarding to images and icons. Number 1 on my list is importing and editing images. Dear friends, to import an image, drag and drop it onto the canvas or use the Place Image tool. You can resize, crop, and apply effects to images directly in Figma. The second and last one on my list is using icons and SVGs. Dear friends, Figma supports SVG files, making it easy to import and use icons. You can find free icon libraries online or create your own. Once imported, you can customize icons using Figma's vector editing tools.
Dear friends, that's a wrap on our advanced designing tutorial in Figma. You've learned how to create and use components, manage styles and libraries, and incorporate images and icons into your designs. In our next video, we'll focus on prototyping and interactivity, where we'll bring your designs to life with interactive elements and transitions. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Wiz Academy and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's continue mastering Figma together.